Hey guys, welcome back to Omni Builders. It's been a while since my last YouTube, but if you follow me on my other socials, you would have noticed that there was something coming in the works, which if I zoom out here you will see in a second. Yeah, it is all to do with my most popular video, to do with my showers. So I decided that I was going to create them for sale in New Zealand, and do a much refined, higher quality portable shower that not only looks cool, but it's also reusing all our waste products without having to use new plastics. So, are you ready? Here it is. Just a cedar door, black spray painted cages. You haven't seen much yet. And open the door. Oh, lovely cooler shelf, full wraparound, covers that nasty seam that you would have seen a lot of people just not really do much with. And that's all welded behind there, plastic welded underneath here. And all done up. Decking on the bottom here, got our waste there, got our shower head here, that comes through here, and then comes to a portable calefon. So literally all you have to do is just plug gas in, turn that on, plug the water into a tap, and you have hot water and a portable shower, and just attach your waste down there. But yeah, I've been sort of working away on this in my spare time. I'm very, very, very pleased with the results. There is a Facebook marketplace ad for it, and yeah, if you're interested in buying one in New Zealand, yeah, I'm starting to make them. So the more people that get in touch with me, the more I will make. They are a little bit on the expensive side, mainly because they're bespoke and a lot of work goes into them to make them as cool as they are. But comparatively to other stuff that's on the market, it's actually cheaper. But yeah, holler at me, and if you are interested, I can build them and send them out to you. And we can even look at an option in Auckland or surrounding towns of hireage. If you've got a renovation and you want to use one for a month or so, well, I want to beat the guys in the rest of the market. So, yeah, you get it for cheap, it looks cool, and yeah, you don't have to outlay a big cost. But yes, contact, let me know. But this one is basically ready to go. Just a little bit of a clean up. Put the top back on there because I can't have it in there with the height of my garage. But yeah, holler at me. Yeah, I'm really, really stoked with this. The only thing left is just a catch right there. But that's all good. Alright, see you guys.